In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install AI image generator. This script precisely is Imgurai. So now let's look at some of the features. As the name implies, image generator. So, and it does some other stuff as well. Look at some of the features: custom image generation, multi-language supported, subscription-based service, plus and stable version 3, 100% responsive design. Now let's look at the front end. How the front end is going to look like after the installation. So this is how it's going to look at the front end. So after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I go to my file manager. Okay. From my file manager, I go to this domain that I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I have already uploaded my script, and next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So after extracting this, I click on close. Let me open the extracted file. So here is the extracted file. Let me open it, and I'm going to select all. Then I will move them to the root folder. Move files. Then next I will click on back. Now let me copy the subdomain, open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. So let me scroll down. Next I click on continue because all are set. Permission to the following files. So I'm going to start with app. I'll give it some file permission. So let me go back to file manager, application, my app. I'll give it some file permission. Save. Next one is what? Plugins. I will give it some file permission. Plugins. Plugins, here is it. I'll give it some file permission. Next one is what? Bootstrap cache. Bootstrap. So cache, I'll give you some file permission. Let me go back. The next one is database. I'll give you some 5 as well. So I click on back. So here is my database. I'm giving it 775. Next one is what? That's lang, then lang in. This one is lang 775. This one is lang in. So I open this. I leave this one as well. Same thing. After that, storage. Then storage app framework logs. Next I click on back. I click on back again. Now my storage 775. After that, I open storage app. I give it 775. App framework. Logs. After that one, what next? The next one is images. I click on back again. Back once more. Now here's my images. I give it 775. Now let me refresh. So all are now set. I click on continue. So now I will create my data. I will go back to my cPanel to create my database, so I can be able to fill this place. So let me go back to my cPanel. Then this time around, I'm going to databases, my SQL databases. So let me name it as Imgurai DB. Yes, like this. I click on create database. Database created successfully, so I click on go back. After creating my database, now I'm going to create my user. Let me scroll down to create my user. Yes. Yeah, click on create user. User created successfully. So next I click on go back. After creating my user and my database successfully, next I'm going to add the user to the database. So let me scroll down. So I choose the one I just created, Imgurai DB user. Let's use it. I click on add. Yes, I give all privileges to the user, then scroll down to make changes. Now, success. I've given all privilege to the user successfully. Let me now copy my username, go back to my site. That's database name, here is it. Username, here is it. Then I click on continue. So next I'm going to close this. Then I click on import now. So next, let me say my website name. Let me say just say Imgurai, like this. Yes. Admin email. Let me say admin at example.com. Then next I click on finish. So I can now close this now, then log in. Okay. Admin as example.com. And I click on login. I have successfully uploaded my script successfully. This is my dashboard. As you can see, for your script installation, customization or development, Use the I am engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install, customize, or develop your app. I developed this myself from scratch. These are newcomers. I can assist you with other ones you want to develop, your software you want to develop. I can assist you with it. Look at this. This one I created from the scratch. Oh. Here is my home page. I can look at the contact, about the categories. I can add to carts and other stuff. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for your project, your software development, customization, or installation. Please use the engagement link in the description to engage me. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe. Very important.